First, hands-on in Excel 2003. Here, launching Excel 2003. We've talked about basic terminology and looked at some of the concepts underlying Excel 2003, such as the use of formulas and special pre-programmed formulas called functions. With Excel now installed and ready, let's look first at how to open it for the first time. Then, in subsequent tutorials in this chapter, we'll cover common but important steps such as setting up your first workbook, labeling and naming various cells, spell checking, and then saving your efforts before we turn to other options, such as how to open an existing workbook, as well as how to delete or to rename a workbook. To launch Excel, you'll go to Windows Start and select Programs or My Programs or All Programs, depending on which operating system version you're using, and then locate and select Microsoft Excel 2003 in your programs list. However, what if you run into a situation like this? Look through all these different installed programs and you do not see Microsoft Excel 2003 installed. Did you install Microsoft Excel 2003 as part of Microsoft Office 2003? If so, it will be listed as Microsoft Office 2003. Also, if you've installed at least two different Office 2003 packages, let's say, for example, if you installed Word 2003 and Excel 2003, you may also find them listed as part of Microsoft Office rather than separately listed as Excel 2003 in your program list. So here we're going to find Microsoft Office. We're going to click Excel. And now we're going to see Excel 2003 open. Once you select it and it opens, Excel will open and look just like this. But what if you encounter a problem and find that Excel won't open or fails with some type of error message? Probably the easiest way to test your system is to go back to Windows Start and select Turn Off Computer or Shut Down Computer, depending on your operating system version. And we're not actually going to turn off the computer or shut down the computer. What we're going to do is select this, and we're going to select Restart. When we restart the system, theoretically, anything on your desktop that may have been causing a problem or some sort of a Windows error or something like that that may be preventing Excel 2003 from opening properly will hopefully be resolved. And once you're able to successfully restart your system, Excel 2003 will launch properly. But if you continue to have problems loading Excel, you may want to use the repair feature available by inserting your Excel or Office installation CD back into your CD or DVD drive, run Setup from the disk, and select the Repair or Reinstall option. You can find other suggestions in the troubleshooting sections in the Installing Excel 2003 chapter. One last point. When you first open Excel, it opens to a blank workbook. But any time when you need to start a fresh blank workbook, simply select File, New. The New Workbook pane opens on the right, and select Blank Workbook. However, you'll also notice that you have various templates available that are sort of already set up worksheets that Microsoft Office has provided for you. For example, you could click File, New, and under the Templates section you could select On My Computer, which will let you see the various template options you have available, such as Workbook, Budget, and spreadsheet solutions such as a balance sheet, time card, loan amortization, sales invoice. You can also go to Microsoft Office Online for templates on Office Online to look for additional templates.